carabiner is a connector with a normally closed gate that can be manually opened to couple an attachment and will automatically close and lock when released. When you look at carabiners, there's many styles of carabiners and it's easy to choose the wrong one. The major access needs to be good for 5,000 pounds. And the minor access needs to be good for 3,600 pounds. You must have 2 consecutive deliberate actions to open the carabiner. In this instance, we twist and pull. When released, it must automatically lock and close. Not all carabiners are rated for fall protection. Although some are acceptable for things like rescue and have an NFPA rating on them, they can't be used for fall protection because they don't bear the ANSI stamp. Screw gate carabiners are typically a recreational piece of equipment and not industrial rated. Although many carabiners may be rated for a 5,000 pound major access, not all of them are rated for a 3,600 pound minor access. For example, here's 2 carabiners, both made by Petzl, the AMD and the BMD. The only real difference in these 2 is the rating of the gate. The BMD carabiner happens to be ANSI rated. As you can see, the gate on the carabiner is considerably more bulky than the AMD carabiner and bears the ANSI Z359 stamp. When inspecting your carabiner, similar to all metallic parts, you're looking for a 10% material loss, excessive corrosion, dings, gouges, nicks, torsion effects, elongations, and to verify the function of the auto lock, auto close, and 2 deliberate actions to open.